armpits, 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 armpits. Let's do this, people. Let's do this. Woo! Are we ready or not? So, have you ever been in a situation where you prepped the whole night for this exam? You went on time, you had your little seat, you sat down, and then you blanked out. It's happened to me several times. Also, have you been in situations where you have practiced communication, you have rehearsed it a couple of times, but finally when you are meeting that person, your D-Day, and you're tongue-tied? Even while saying this, I'm getting a few jitters. But ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my name is Firoza Engineer. Yes, that is my last name. Some of you all had to study 4 years to get that name. I belong to a family, I'm born into it. But you know, sometimes when I'm traveling abroad and when I'm at that checkpoint of the passport, people go like, engineer? I'm like, yes. In your country, you might have smiths, you might have carpenters, you might have plumbers. In India, we have engineers. This is just something that makes me feel good when I'm anxious. But hailing from a family of engineers, fixing things now is literally in our DNA. It gives us this high problem solving, and that's the mindset I have been using. So welcome to my course on building self-confidence. I'm going to take you through certain mindsets, perspective shifts that you need to build on a continuous basis to develop the self-confidence. Or maybe some of us have this going well, but we have jitters when it comes to actually getting the work done, getting our hands dirty. Skill building, maybe that's an area we need to focus on. Maybe some of us out there go like, my mindset is fine, my skill set is fine. Can you give me something more? Maybe we'll also discuss some tool sets, things that are outside of you, things that are available in the external world that you could use to build self-confidence. Let's get ready.